If you're getting a message like this from WhatsApp on your Apple or Android smartphone, the video for today is going to be useful because I'm going to show you how to get a banned WhatsApp account unbanned so that you could use it further the way you used to do it before you got this message. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not, this is going to cheer you up because WhatsApp is a very useful application these days because we communicate with almost everybody we know through WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp account gets banned, it becomes a problem for you, right? So the first thing to do is, if you see this message, get onto google.com on your laptop or your smartphone, wherever or whatever is comfortable for you, and do a search for contact WhatsApp support. So once you type that in out here, I want you to click on the enter button and you get onto this page on which Google gives you all the search results. Now, I want you to watch my video till the end so that you understand properly how to get this done so that your WhatsApp account is unbanned. The next step is to click on Contact Us for WhatsApp. Once you do that, you get directed to the official website for WhatsApp. Now, once you are directed to this page, you are going to see that you have a form out here to fill up. And this is the most important step out here in the process. So you scroll down a bit and you put in your phone number. First of all, whatever country you are in, select your country code, and after that you put in your phone number that was registered on WhatsApp which got banned due to spam or whatever the reason WhatsApp is giving you. Okay, so since I'm in India, I put in +91. I put in my phone number that was banned. Here you need to put in a working email address on which you could receive updates from WhatsApp regarding this problem. So you put in your email address out here and you confirm the email address again. Next, how do you use WhatsApp? Whether you use it for your Android phone or iPhone or on desktop or whatever it is. If you have an Android device, checkbox this. If you have an iPhone, checkbox this. If you're using WhatsApp on your desktop or your PC, checkbox this. Whatever it is. Okay, so let me select Android phone. You scroll down and this is very important. Here, you need to type in a message exactly like this. Hi team, my WhatsApp account with number this, which you had put in out here, was banned for no reason. I have been using WhatsApp in accordance with your terms and conditions. Next paragraph, please could you check and unblock my account so that I could keep communicating via WhatsApp with my friends and family. Once you do that, you click on next step, and once you click on next step, within 24 hours, you are going to get a communication in the email you put in out here whether or not your account is going to be unbanned. 99.9% chances are that your account is going to get unbanned, and the next time you open WhatsApp, you are going to see a message like this. This account has been restored. Our systems flagged your account accidentally. We apologize for this. Chats can be accessed after you verify your account. Now, once you get this message from WhatsApp, the next thing to do is click on Verify Account. Click on Agree and Continue. Here, you need to put in the same number that was registered and got banned accidentally or whatever. After you do that, verify the number, and once you do that, you are going to get access to your WhatsApp account again. You're going to see all your old chats and all your messages, and everything would be there itself. So do let me know in the comment section if this is working for you or no. If you still have a problem, I do suggest that you send me an email. I would do my best to answer any questions related to the video for today. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.